Braveheart stray kitten ends up with frog-like eyes, possibly due to untreated bacterial infection. This tiny kitten with frog-like eyes had an incredible will to live. This is Oomi, the miracle kitten. Only a month ago, when Oomi was 4 weeks old, she came to the ASPCA Kitten Nursery in New York City. She was in desperate need of some TLC and medical care. Cerena said that the kitten was dropped off at the front desk where she works. The frog eyes, they thought, were due to a bacterial infection that had gone untreated. Cerena said when she first met Oomi, she just wanted to cuddle and to be loved. Cerena fostered her once she became more medically stable. She and her fiancé, Anthony, fell in love. It was hard not to fall in love, admitted Cerena. Oomi was a ray of positivity. The two always took time to get some extra cuddling in when it was time for Oomi to take her medications. After making many trips to the vet, it was decided that Oomi would have to have surgery to remove both of her eyes, but she would have to get a little bit bigger before she could undergo the operation. After one eye had ruptured during the night, Oomi had to undergo surgery a few weeks sooner than planned. Just one day after surgery, Oomi cuddled up next to her human mom for some love. A few days after surgery and Oomi was up and about climbing on things. No one has ever seen a kitten bounce back that quickly after surgery. Oomi has no trouble navigating around her house and living life to its fullest. Thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends.